Welcome to the SaaS Growth Marketing course. I am your trainer. By profession, I am a seasoned technical writer. By passion, I am an Angular and Firebase developer. I also love my role as a product and growth marketer. I have also launched a couple of startups, including a content writing agency called The Right Pick, an online retail store, Dr. Garments, an AI-based writing tool called SnapRytr. I am also a content creator on YouTube, as you can see. I have multiple channels on YouTube, as I love to teach. Let's learn about this course. It's a full-stretch course designed to gradually take you from beginner to advanced level stuff. In this course, you will learn a wide spectrum of marketing techniques, and side-by-side practice them on a real-life project. You will also learn how to use different communication platforms as marketing tools. Remember, you aren't alone in this course. I will evaluate your tasks on Google Classroom. In a nutshell, you will learn things that took me 8 years to learn. I will teach you techniques that are easy to theorize and hard to practice. I will do so by giving you tasks and assignments related to a real-life product called SnapRytr. I will personally check your assignments on Google Classroom. Let's have a glimpse of your course outline. You will begin learning from the fundamentals of SnapRytr and SaaS Growth Marketing, all the way down to the secrets of writing copy that sells. Then we'll closely analyze the users and customers to see how we can improve the sales for our SaaS product called SnapRytr. All of these topics are in-depth modules, each module having its own videos and tasks. There are 10 modules in this course. To join the Google Classroom now, use the link given in the comments and description below. In the next video, we will begin our Module 1 with SnapRytr's introduction as a SaaS product. We will also learn about SaaS marketing. See you in the next lesson.